All right, we just finished our bike ride around Lake Murray Trail. It was about 5.8 miles, 112 feet of elevation gain. And it took us about like 45 minutes on the bike, just casually riding around. It's Super Bowl Sunday and it's crazy packed. We were kind of hoping it being a popular trail with a major event, so to say, where people like to celebrate and get together, that it wouldn't be so crazy, but here we are. So the parking was jam-packed. Luckily we were able to get a spot. Now that we finished, we're just kind of hanging out by the water. It's like something my son loves to do. He likes to pick up the rocks and throw them in the water, and then look at all the ducks and different animals that are out here. It's a wonderful place for that. You know, typically there's tons and tons of parking. I'll go ahead and shoot up a satellite overlay and kind of point that out so you can see what I'm talking about, but literally jam-packed today. You know, there are lots of other things you can do here, like you can go boating, you can go fishing. I believe you need to get permits for that. You know, you find people walking, biking, you know, they're doing rollerblades. But you know, the big thing to keep in mind here is there's a lot of people who aren't used to a lot of other people being around them on trail scenarios. So you got to be careful of people just, you know, taking up the whole space. You also need to be careful of people jumping out on you. There are lots of kids, things like that. There are gate hours. They're posted right now. It says you need to be out of here by 6:30, otherwise your car gets locked in. I believe it opens at sunrise. And one more thing that's really cool about this spot is as you go around the trail, you'll actually be able to see there's tons of little offshoots that go towards the water. There's tons of benches, picnic benches, good places just to sit there and hang out and enjoy. You can just sit there and watch these ducks and do the duck things or whatever, read a book. But there's a lot of good spots to stop along the way. They even have some bathrooms that you can use as well. So yeah. So we didn't stop too long at the end of the trail because it's an out and back. You can't do a full loop. And there's actually a sign that says it doesn't count unless you touch the target. So that's actually a pretty new sign. It's been there for a very long time, but it was all run down. It turned into spray paint. It was paper at one point, so they got a new sign. But probably not what you want to touch right now, but it is like kind of a novelty of something that is here around the lake and to check out as well. Overall, you know, this is one of our go-to spots. We love coming here. Typically we try to do it during the weekdays when there's the least amount of people. Yeah, overall, just come here, enjoy, have a picnic. You can hear the birds behind me. It's wonderful. And, you know, make some memories. All right, guys. See you next time.